everyone, it's Mrs. Scott, and today we're going to be reading a silly story called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Has anyone ever had the hiccups before? I know I have. So I need your help today to stop the penguin from having hiccups. What are some things you have done when you have the hiccups? Sometimes we can hold our breath, or someone might scare us, or you might drink some water. Everyone has a different way to get rid of the hiccups, so we're going to help the penguin. Let's try the sounds in penguin first. We're going to pop our lips. We go, penguin. Can you try those sounds? Penguin. Those are tricky, but I like your trying. Let's see what's going to happen with our little penguin. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. Uh-oh, did you hear that? He had the hiccups. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. Uh-oh. What's wrong with the penguin? Yeah, let's make a sentence. This penguin is a boy. So for a boy, what word would I use instead of the boy? Yeah, we'd say, he has the hiccups. Can you try that sentence? Or we can just, if that's too big and too long, we can try hiccups. All right. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Ooh. What were they eating? Do you remember in the story? He said it happened last week on chilly night. So what were they eating? Chili. Let's look. Can you see they were all eating the chili? And is chili spicy or hot? If you've had chili, some people eat it really spicy. Uh-oh, here's his advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. Uh-oh, what did the chili do to the penguin? It gave him the hiccups. Uh-oh. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. What did the penguin do to try to get rid of the hiccups? Let's see. Let's put it in a sentence. What is he doing? He is standing on his head. Chester told to drink backward from a cup. Uh-oh, I've never tried this one. What did the penguin do next? Let's put it in a sentence. He is drinking from a cup, or he is drinking water, and he tried it upside down. But look, it's spilled everywhere. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Uh-oh, now he's doing both. What is he doing? He is standing on his head and drinking water. That doesn't sound good. Nothing works. Uh-oh, how do you think Penguin is feeling right now? Yeah, he might be sad or a little bit angry or mad. But Franklin has given me a new idea. I need your help. Will you guys help the penguin? Yes or no? Oh, a lot of you said yes. I'm so glad to hear that. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. What are we going to do to the penguin? Yeah, we're going to scare him. Let's try those sounds. Scare. You try it. Are you ready? Okay. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on the count of 3. What are we going to say? Boo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! A big boo. Oh, he looks scared. Uh-oh. Did it work? Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, he looks more scared this time. Did it work? Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Uh-oh. Did it work? Yes or no? No. I think we need to scare him again. Can you get louder? Ugh. I have the hiccups forever. Will I have them forever? I hope not. What do you think we should do? We should scare him again? Let's see. One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Roar! Look who came up. The penguin looks really scared. Who came to scare the penguin? Do you know what animal that is? It's a whale. Do you think that got rid of the penguin's hiccups? Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare. So now we get to meet his friend Franklin. What kind of animal is Franklin again? He is a whale. Can you try that "w" sound again? Whale. Our lips go together. A good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Uh-oh. How does the penguin feel about being scared? Yeah, he sounds a little bit angry or mad. And why is he angry or mad? Because he is all wet. That has our "w" sound again. Wet. Now I have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. What do you think the penguin just realized? You think so? My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Uh-oh. Do you remember what gave the penguin hiccups? It was the chili, and chili is spicy or hot. So if the penguin has spicy tacos, what do you think's gonna happen? You think so? Uh-oh. What happened to the penguin? He has the hiccups again. Oh, no. The end. So penguins shouldn't eat spicy food anymore. Silly penguin. Now, don't forget to watch part 2 with Mrs. C for a fun craft. What animal do you think you're going to make today? A penguin. All right, I'll see you soon.